Hi there. I am back again. This is your host, Mark. We are continuing with our series on process domain. In this video, we will do questions 41 to 50 of 50. Let's get into it. 41. Anna is managing a predictive project that's behind schedule due to design delays. To recover time, what are her best two options for schedule compression? Select two answers. A. Crash the schedule by adding resources. B. Extend the overall duration of the project. C. Fast-track tasks that can be overlapped. D. Add additional float to dependent activities. Answers: A and C. Explanation: crashing and fast-tracking are the primary methods of schedule compression. Extending or adding float would worsen delays. 42. During user acceptance testing, Lee discovers that a deliverable marked as complete does not meet a critical client requirement. What should Lee do first? A. Reject the deliverable and initiate a change. B. Review the requirements traceability matrix. C. Escalate the issue to the sponsor. D. Update the scope statement. Answer: B. Explanation. The traceability matrix helps verify if the requirement was part of the original approved scope. 43. Kareem is managing an infrastructure upgrade. A previously identified risk materialized, but the mitigation plan failed. What should he do next? A. Remove the risk from the register. B. Update the lessons learned register. C. Implement a fallback plan. D. Terminate the project. Answer: C. Explanation. When a risk response fails, fallback strategies are executed to maintain control. 44. In a hybrid project, Diana delivers a feature that works technically but does not align with the client's business rules. What should she do to prevent this going forward? Select three answers. A. Reassess the definition of done. B. Improve collaboration between dev and business teams. C. Include business rules in the user story acceptance criteria. D. Skip UAT and move to production. Answers: A, B, and C. Explanation. These options strengthen alignment and clarity during development. Skipping UAT is not acceptable. 45. During execution, Roger receives a request to add new reporting functionality. What must he do before approving the change? A. Evaluate cost, schedule, and resource impact. B. Implement the change immediately. C. Present the request to the development team. D. Inform all stakeholders without assessment. Answer: A. Explanation. Change impact analysis is a prerequisite to approval to ensure project performance is not compromised. 46. Peter is preparing to issue a contract for software services. Which of the following must he define before contract award? A. Statement of work. B. Payment terms and conditions. C. Acceptance criteria. D. All of the above. Answer: D. Explanation. All of these elements are essential parts of a procurement document before contract award. 47. Aisha is managing 3 agile teams on a scaled project. She notices overlapping work and inconsistent deliverables. What should she do? Select 2 answers. A. Implement a shared product backlog. B. Introduce separate sprint reviews for each team. C. Facilitate cross-team planning sessions. D. Allow each team to manage scope independently. Answers: A and C. Explanation. Shared backlog and cross-team coordination resolve duplication and ensure alignment. 48. Miguel is leading a predictive energy project. Due to external regulatory shifts, new risks are emerging weekly. What should Miguel do? A. Update the risk register continuously. B. Engage with external stakeholders. C. Adjust project risk thresholds. D. All of the above. Answer: D. Explanation. Regulatory shifts require a proactive, multi-pronged risk management response. 49. Natalia's Agile team frequently delivers work that requires rework due to misunderstood requirements. What is most likely the root cause? A. Inadequate sprint retrospectives. B. Poor stakeholder engagement during backlog refinement. C. Too few developers on the team. D. Lack of test automation. Answer: B. Explanation. If requirements are misunderstood, it likely results from poor collaboration during backlog refinement. 50. Tom's project is facing repeated scope changes and cost overruns. To improve control, which actions should he implement? Select 3 answers. A. Reinforce change control procedures. B. Conduct frequent project reviews. C. Review and realign the project charter. D. Revalidate stakeholder expectations. E. Eliminate the change control board. Answers A, B, and D. Explanation. Change control, regular reviews, and stakeholder alignment help restore control. Removing the CCB is counterproductive. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and share. All the best for your exam. Tell us how you did in the comments section.